If you're living in a small space, these 20 Amazon home organization finds can completely transform your home. From smart storage solutions to space-saving furniture, these products help you save space, reduce clutter, and make your home look clean and organized. All the links are in the description below. Let's start with number 1. Number 1, the JARLINK over-the-door organizer, a smart space-saving solution that instantly adds extra storage without taking up any floor space. It helps you organize shoes, accessories, or daily essentials, reduces clutter, and keeps everything easily accessible. Perfect for small apartments, it maximizes unused door space, improves organization, and makes your home look cleaner and more efficient. Easy to install and super convenient for everyday use. Number 2, the Oannes 4-tier storage bins, a smart storage solution that helps you organize more in less space. With multiple tiers, it maximizes vertical storage, reduces clutter, and keeps your essentials neatly arranged. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or closets, it's easy to assemble, space-saving, and makes your home more organized and efficient. Number 3, the Loveseat Boneless Convertible Sofa Bed, a smart space-saving furniture piece that easily transforms from a sofa into a comfortable bed. Perfect for small apartments, it saves space, adds flexibility, and gives you extra sleeping space for guests. Soft, cozy, and easy to set up, it helps you make the most of your living area while keeping your home stylish and functional. Number 4, the Volnamal Legging Organizer, a smart way to keep your wardrobe neat, organized, and clutter-free. It neatly stores leggings, pants, or clothes in one place, making them easy to find and access. It saves closet and drawer space, prevents wrinkles, and keeps your clothes in better condition. Lightweight and easy to use, it helps you organize faster, reduces daily hassle, and makes your space look cleaner and more efficient. Number 5, the ChooChoo Bathroom Wall Cabinet, a smart storage solution that adds extra space without taking up any floor area. It helps you organize toiletries, towels, and daily essentials, keeping your bathroom neat and clutter-free. The wall-mounted design maximizes vertical space, improves organization, and makes small bathrooms look bigger and cleaner. Durable, stylish, and easy to install, it's perfect for efficient and modern storage. Link in the description. Number 6, the BROOKSTONE Collapsible Laundry Basket, a smart space-saving solution for managing your laundry. It easily folds flat when not in use, saving valuable space in small homes or apartments. Lightweight yet durable, it's easy to carry, helps keep clothes organized, and reduces clutter. Perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, or travel, it makes laundry more convenient and hassle-free. Number 7, the Freebat Bed Sheet Organizers, a smart way to neatly store and organize your bed sheets, pillowcases, and linens. It keeps everything in one place, makes items easy to find, and saves closet space. The structured design prevents mess, protects fabrics, and keeps your storage looking clean and tidy. Perfect for improving organization and reducing daily hassle. Number 8, the PASAMIC Collapsible Wagon Cart, a versatile and heavy-duty solution for carrying groceries or outdoor gear with ease. It folds down compactly for easy storage, saves effort while transporting heavy items, and reduces strain on your hands. Perfect for shopping, travel, or outdoor use, it's durable, easy to pull, and makes everyday tasks faster and more convenient. Number 9, the Aufworld Magnetic Spice Rack, a smart way to organize your spices without taking up counter space. It attaches securely to your fridge or any metal surface, keeping your spices within easy reach. It saves space, reduces kitchen clutter, and makes cooking more efficient. Strong, durable, and easy to install, it's perfect for small kitchens. Link in description. Number 10, the Vikaqi Wall-Mounted Clothes Drying Rack, a smart space-saving solution for drying clothes without taking up floor space. It folds flat against the wall when not in use, helping you save space and keep your area Perfect for small apartments, it improves air drying, protects clothes, and makes laundry more efficient. Durable, easy to install, and highly practical for everyday use. Number 11, the 5-pack closet organizers and storage. A simple way to maximize your closet space and keep everything neatly arranged. It helps you store clothes, accessories, and essentials in separate sections, making them easy to find and access. Perfect for small closets, it reduces clutter, improves organization, and saves time in your daily routine. Lightweight, durable, and easy to set up, it makes your closet more efficient and stress-free. Number 12, the Silver Springs Tabletop Fountain, creates a calm and relaxing atmosphere with soothing water sounds. Compact, stylish, and perfect for reducing stress and improving focus. Number 13, the Joydeco Blackout Curtains, a simple way to improve your sleep and comfort at home. They block out sunlight, reduce outside noise, and help maintain room temperature for better energy efficiency. Perfect for bedrooms, they create a dark, peaceful environment for deeper sleep while also adding privacy and style to your space. Easy to install and maintain. Number 14, the Rugcomf Washable Boho Rug, adds comfort, style, and safety to your space. Its soft underfoot, features a non-slip backing for better grip, and is machine washable for easy cleaning. Perfect for high-traffic areas, it protects your floors, reduces noise, and makes your home feel warmer and more cozy. Durable, low maintenance, and ideal for everyday use. Number 15, the SONGMICS Bamboo Shoe Rack Bench, a smart 2-in-1 solution that combines seating and storage. It neatly organizes multiple pairs of shoes, saves floor space, and keeps your entryway clean and clutter-free. The sturdy bamboo design offers durability and a comfortable place to sit while wearing shoes. It also improves organization, adds a stylish touch, and makes your daily routine more convenient. Link in description. Number 16, the SONGMICS Storage Ottoman Bench, a smart multifunctional piece that offers hidden storage and comfortable seating. It helps you store blankets, clothes, or essentials out of sight, reducing clutter and keeping your space organized. The sturdy design supports seating while adding style to your room. Perfect for small spaces, it saves space, improves organization, and makes your home more functional and efficient. Number 17, the VASAGLE Coffee Table with Storage, a stylish and functional piece that adds both storage and surface space to your living room. It helps you keep essentials like books, remotes, and accessories organized and within reach. The built-in storage reduces clutter, saves space, and keeps your area neat and clean. Durable, modern, and perfect for small spaces, it makes your living room more organized and efficient. Number 18, the Oannes Flickering Flameless Candles, a safe and stylish way to create a warm and cozy atmosphere. They give a realistic candle glow without any fire risk, making them perfect for homes with kids or pets. No smoke, no mess, and no maintenance, while still adding a relaxing and elegant vibe to your space. Easy to use and energy efficient, they are perfect for everyday decor or special occasions. Number 19, the Viorina Artificial Eucalyptus Vase Decor, a simple way to add a fresh and elegant look to your space without any maintenance. It stays green and beautiful all year round, requires no watering, and instantly enhances your home decor. Perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or offices, it adds a natural touch, improves aesthetics, and makes your space feel more calm and inviting. Number 20, the High Life Steamer for Clothes, a quick and easy way to remove wrinkles and keep your clothes looking fresh. It heats up fast, saves time compared to ironing, and is gentle on all types of fabrics. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for home or travel. Simple to use and efficient, it helps you look neat, polished, and ready in minutes. All the links are in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart home finds.